I'm the sixth grade at Seowan Elementary School. I will give a presentation on hurricanes. The eye of the storm. The center of a hurricane is called the eye of the storm because it looks like an eye. Strong winds throw around the eye of the storm. Inside the eye, the weather can become clear. But beware, the eye of the storm will pass and strong winds will start again. Map. When tracking a hurricane, use a map to record the places it has been. And to see where a hurricane has been, you might be able to predict where it's going. Shelter. Sometimes people are told to leave their rooms before a storm ends. Where you live, you should take it seriously. School auto turn. The height of a hurricane can carry large objects throughout the sky, tear down trees, damage doors, and even rip roofs. Houses near water may not be safe because the storm surge can create large waves and flood surrounding areas. Weather person. It is important to listen to your local weather person anytime there is bad weather. A weather person is called a meteorologist. Meteorologists use special tools such as weather satellites, radar, and computers to make predictions. They can tell you about the wind speed, rainfall, and how long you can expect the hurricane to last. Warning. If you see or hear of a hurricane warning for the area where you live, you should take it seriously. People who live near the beach may see this flag. This flag warns them that the ocean is unsafe and preparations should be made. Strong winds, heavy rains, and flooding make hurricanes dangerous. Sometimes hurricane winds can carry heavy objects through the air. In preparation, people carry items inside before a hurricane and hurricanes comes and to prevent damage.